Good morning children. Today we are continuing the exercise 7.11. Listen. 7.11 sixth question. Integral 2 to 8 absolute value of x minus 5 dx. Here our function is x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5. Here 2, 5, 8. So our intervals are, limits are 2 to 5, 5 to 8. Here we use the property integral a to b fx dx is equal to integral a to c fx dx plus integral c to b fx dx. Then function 2, 5 in the interval x minus fx is equal to x minus 5. Put x is equal to 2, 2 minus 5 minus 3. Put x is equal to 5, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So fx is less than or equal to 0, 0 and minus 3. So fx is less than or equal to the x minus 5 is less than or equal to 0 in the interval. So listen, we have two intervals 2 to 5 and 5 to 8. First we take 2 less than x less than 5. Then x minus 5. We subtract 5 minus 5, 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 less than x minus 5. What is 2 minus 5? Minus 3 less than x minus 5 less than 0. So in the closed interval 2, 5, it is negative. X minus 5 is less than or equal to 0. Right? X minus 5 is less than or equal to 0 in 2, 5. Then what about in 5, 8? Substitute the values 5 minus 5 in the interval 5, 8. First we substitute 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Next 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So it or another way 5 less than x less than 8. X minus 5. Subtraction by 5. So this is 5 minus 5. Here 8 minus 5. So 0 less than x minus 5 less than 3. The value of x minus 5 is in between 0 and 3. That means x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 0 in the interval 5 to 8. So our first here fx is negative. In the first case fx is negative. So we write integral 2 to 8 absolute value of x minus 5 dx is equal to integral 2 to 5 minus of x minus 5 dx plus integral 5 to 8 x minus 5 dx equals integral 2 to 5 minus of x minus 5 is 5 minus x dx plus integral 5 to 8 x minus 5 dx equals integrate 5x minus x square by 2 within the limit 2 to 5 plus x square by 2 minus 5x within the limit 5 to 8. Then substitute the limit 5 into 5 minus 5 square by 2 minus of then 2 upper limit 5 then lower limit 2 5 into 2 minus of 2 square by 2 plus first value 8 square by 2 minus 5 into 8 minus of 5 square by 2 minus 5 into 5 equals 5 into 5 25 minus 5 square by 2 is 25 by 2 minus 5 into 10 minus 10 2 square by 4 is 4 by 2 2 minus minus plus 2 plus 8 square 64 by 2 is 32 minus 40 minus 25 by 2 minus 25. So No, minus minus plus 25. 25 plus 25, 50. Minus 25 by 2, minus 25 by 2 is minus 50 by 2. That is minus 50 by 2. Minus 10 minus 40 is minus 50 plus 34 is equal to 50 minus 25. 50 by 2 is 25 plus 25, 50 minus 25 minus 50 plus 34. 50 minus 50 cancelled. Minus 25 plus 34 is equal to 9. So our answer is 9. Then 10th question in the text. 10th question, question number 10. Integral 0 to pi by 2, 2 log sin x minus log sin 2x dx equals integral 0 to pi by 2, 2 log sin x minus log sin 2x is log 2 sin x cos x dx equals integral 0 to pi by 2, 2 log sin x minus log 2 multiplication into product means multiplication. Taking negative sign, so minus of log 2. Product means addition. Log 2 plus log sin x plus cos x. Taking multiplying the root by negative sign minus log 2 minus log sin x minus log cos x dx equals 0 to pi by 2. 2 log sin x minus log sin x is log sin x minus log 2 minus log cos x dx. Now we take the separate integral. Integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x minus integral 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx minus integral 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx equals integral 0 to pi by 2. This log sin x is log pi by 2 minus x dx minus integral 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx minus integral 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx is equal to integral. What is integral 0 to pi by 2? Log sin pi by 2 minus x is log cos x dx minus log pi by 2 log 2 dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. Here these two say 0 to pi by 2 log cos x minus. So minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx equals minus log 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 dx is equal to minus log 2 into x within the limit 0 to pi by 2 equals minus log 2 into, so apply limit pi by 2 minus 0 is equal to minus log 2 into pi by 2. Minus log 2 into pi by 2. We can write one more step. Pi by 2 into log minus 2 means log 1 by 2. So pi by 2 into log 1 by 2. Then 12th question in the text. Question number 12. Integral 0 to pi x dx divided by 1 plus sin x. Here we put I is equal to integral 0 to pi x dx by 1 plus sin x. This is equation 1. Now again I is equal to integral 0 to pi x is pi minus x dx by 1 plus sin pi minus x equals integral 0 to pi minus x dx divided by 1 plus sin pi minus x is sin x. That is I is equal to integral 0 to pi minus x dx divided by 1 plus sin x. This is equation 2. Adding 1 and 2, 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi, first one x dx divided by 1 plus sin x plus integral 0 to pi minus x dx divided by 1 plus sin x. Now we separate this one into two fractions, 0 to pi x dx by 1 plus sin x plus 0 to pi dx by 1 plus sin x minus integral 0 to pi x dx by 1 plus sin x. Here these two cancelled and equal to integral 0 to pi dx divided by 1 plus sin x equals pi outside integral 0 to pi dx by 1 plus sin x equals pi into integral 0 to pi dx divided by, take the conjugate 1 plus sin x multiplying through by 1 minus sin x multiplying through by 1 minus sin x equals integral dx by integral 1 minus sin x into dx divided by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x is 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x is cos square x equals 0 to pi equals integral 0 to pi 1 by cos square x dx minus integral 0 to pi sin x by cos square x dx is equal to integral 0 to pi 1 by cos square x is sec square x dx minus integral 0 to pi sin x by cos x is tan x. 1 by cos x is sec x. Sec x into tan x dx is equal to 2i is equal to integral sec square x is tan x within the limit 0 to pi minus sec x. Integral sec x tan x is sec x within the limit 0 to pi. Tan x. Then substitute the integrals tan pi minus tan 0 minus of sec pi minus sec 0 equals 2i is equal to integral pi into, we take pi outside. Here we already take pi outside. Here also pi into tan pi is 0 minus sec pi is minus 1 minus sec 0 is 1. So 2i is equal to pi into minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 2. Therefore 2 cancelled. I is equal to pi. I is equal to pi. The question in the text. Sorry, 15th question. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x dx divided by 1 plus sin x sin x cos x. Take I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x dx divided by 1 plus sin x cos x. Now fx is equal to sin x minus cos x by 1 plus sin x into cos x is the f of x. Now we find f of pi by 2 minus x. What is f of pi by 2 minus x is sin pi by 2 minus x minus cos pi by 2 minus x divided by 1 plus sin pi by 2 minus x into cos pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x, cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x divided by 1 plus cos x into sin x. Now we take here denominator 1 plus sin x cos x. Okay. Here we take negative minus outside. We can write minus of sin x minus cos x divided by 1 plus sin x cos x or cos x sin x. This is equal to minus of f of x is sin x minus cos x by 1 plus sin x cos x. Take negative outside minus of f of x. Here f of pi by 2 minus x is equal to minus f of x using property 6. So what about this integral? Our integral is equal to 0. F of pi by 2 minus x is equal to minus f of x. Therefore 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x dx by 1 plus sin x cos x is equal to 0 using property 6. Now 14th question in the text. Question number 14. Integral 0 to 2 pi cos raised to 5x dx. Integral 0 to 2 pi. Here fx is equal to cos raised to 5x. What is f of 2 pi minus x is equal to cos raised to 5 2 pi minus x. No change in 2 pi. For 180 and 360, no change. 2 pi is 360, pi is 180. So, cos raised to 5x is equal to f of x. Now, integral is equal to 2 times integral 0 to pi. Integral 0 to 2 pi cos raised to 5x dx is equal to 2 times integral 0 to pi cos raised to 4x into cos x dx equals 2 times. Here cos raised to 4x is equal to 1 minus cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. So cos raised to 4x is equal to 1 minus sin square x whole square. Put sin x is equal to t. Cos x dx is equal to dt. When x is equal to 0, what is t? 0. X is equal to pi. So write integral cos raised to 4x is 1 minus t square whole square into cos x dx is dt. 2 times integral 0 to pi 1 minus t square whole square dt is equal to 2 times 0 to pi 1 minus 2t square minus plus t raised to 4 dt. Now we integrate 2 times 1 t minus 2 into t cube by 3 plus t raised to 5 by 5 within the limit 0 to pi equals 2 into value of t is sin x minus 2 by 3 into sin cube x plus sin raised to 5x by 5 within the limit 0 to pi. Substitute the values. Two into sin pi minus 2 by 3 sin cube pi plus sin raised to 5 pi by 5 minus sin 0 0 2 by 3 into 0 1 by 5 into 0 equals 2 into sin pi 0 minus 2 by 3 into 0 plus 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 is the answer. Thank you.